We're talking about the brand new iPhones. So I've got all 4 of them. This is just 2. There's the other 2. 4 new iPhones. I checked them all out. I had to check out all the models. We start with the iPhone 15, the iPhone 15 Plus, and then I've got the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the cream of the crop, right?
Okay.
The most expensive one. Well, let me break it down. I mean, these are the best iPhones yet, hands down. I love the build. I love the rounded corners, the matte glass on the back of these things.
Yeah, feels nice.
Super sleek. When you move up to the Pro line, you get the titanium chassis, you get a faster A17 processor, you also get the advanced cameras. All of these phones shoot amazing pictures and video, but the Pro models are straight up insane. I'll have more on the cameras in a second, but the switch to the USB-C port is a big deal. So now you can share charging cables with your Android friends. Also, the Pro models got rid of the silence switch on the side and replaced it with the action button.
Oh, okay.
Big deal was made of this, but it's essentially, I got some video of setting it up, it's essentially a button that you can set now to do whatever you want. You can still use it to silence the phone, you can turn on the flashlight, you can open up the camera, whatever you want to do. Frankly, I loved the silence switch on the old iPhone models, but I think a lot of people are going to like the flexibility that you can do whatever you want with this. And I want to show you this. Portrait mode has been around and lets you hard focus when you take a picture, right? But look at this. Now you can change that focus after the fact. We don't want Drew in focus. We want me in focus.
Oh, you're so self-centered and arrogant, Kirk.
How it goes. Maybe the picture grabbed the wrong focus when you took it, right? Now you can change it after the fact. Super impressive feature on the new iPhone 15 and Pro models. How much? So
that's cool.
It's super cool, right? And you can actually you can put everybody in focus. You can change the focus. You can do it. Normally, you had to do it before you took the picture.
Yeah.
So the base model iPhone 15 starts at $800. They go all the way up to that Pro Max phone, the big daddy of them all, which is $1,200. If you're shooting video and you're buying this for video, get the Pro Max.
Yeah.
It really is that much better. And Apple makes amazing phones. I mean, nothing's changed here. These are awesome phones. If you have a 14, I don't think you need to upgrade.
Okay.
There are some differences, but I'm not sure it's worth it. Maybe wait for the 16. If you've got a 13 and older, you probably want to check these out. The cameras alone are worth an upgrade.
Yeah. These look great. They feel great.
And the glass on the back.
I know. I almost wish the case could complement that feel.
I know.
Right? Because once you put a case on it, you don't get to enjoy the feature. But
and I will,
super cool.
Yeah, I will say I like that Apple makes the Pro versions in the smaller and the larger size.
Yeah.
Which is nice because I like the smaller phone, but I like the Pro features. So that's kind of cool.